Okay, so today I'm going to be answering another subscriber question about drop shadowing. So there are certain features that you need to get a little bit more creative with when you want to incorporate them into Canva, and one of those is drop shadowing. So I'm not going to get into specifics with how to customize certain graphic designs, so I'm just going to select a Pinterest graphic here. And then I'll show you how I can manipulate the text in order to create a drop shadow effect. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to choose a pre-designed template here. And then I'm going to take a look at the text and choose an option for drop shadowing. So this one really sticks out to me, the stargazing text. So I'm going to select that to be what I drop shadow. When you're drop shadowing, if you're doing multiple lines of text, if you're doing one line of text, you want to select what you want to change first. So because I'm changing this one, I'm going to select this text box. And then from there, this navigation bar has popped up now that I clicked on that. So from there, I'm going to go to copy. And then you'll see the copy of that same text pop up. So with a drop shadow effect, you don't want it to be the same color. You want it to be either a lighter shade or a darker shade than what already appears in your graphic. So with that little pop-up bar that showed up, I'm going to go to this yellow square and choose a darker shade. So I'm just going to go with black so you can really see the contrast between the two lines of text. So I'll select that. And then I'm going to start to move this text box around. I'm not going to do that with my mouse. I'm going to use the arrow keys on my keyboard so I can get more precise movement. So I'm just going to start lining this up with the original text. You can already see when I do that how the original text pops out from behind the darker text. So at this point, what you want to do is go up to this bar and click Arrange, and you want to start sending that backwards until you can see the copy text behind the original text. So we'll select back, and then we'll select back one more time, and you can already see how much that's emphasized the original text. So if I move it slightly to the right, you can see that effect a little bit more. Same thing when I go to the left, you can see it starting to be a little bit more prominent. Same thing if I go up and a little over more to the center. And same thing if I go down and even to the right a little bit. So really utilize those arrow keys on your keyboard until you get to the effect that you want. So you can use a really dark color to contrast this. You can use a gray if you want your drop shadow to look like that. You can even use something lighter to brighten it up a little bit and to see what that does for your text if it gives it the effect that you're looking for. But it's really easy to do. It just takes a little bit of thinking outside of the box to make some of these enhancements to your text happen. If you have any additional questions about text or anything with Canva in particular, please let me know in the comment section below, or you can contact me through my blog to see what further tutorials I can do here on my YouTube channel. But please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video.